Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make tasty popsicles at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe fruit and natural sweeteners. Next, choose your popsicle molds. Silicone or plastic work wonderfully for easy removal. Then prepare your fruit by washing, peeling, and chopping it into small pieces. Finally, consider adding a liquid base, such as juice or coconut water, to achieve a smooth consistency for your delicious frozen treats. Now let's get creative with flavors. Try combining berries with citrus fruits for a refreshing and tangy treat that truly awakens your taste buds. You can also experiment with tropical fruits, like mango and pineapple, for a sweet escape. Remember to use natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, adjusting the sweetness to your personal preference. For an unexpected twist, add a pinch of fresh herbs like mint or basil. Next, it's time for blending and freezing. Blend all your ingredients until they are completely smooth, making sure no large chunks remain. Carefully pour the mixture into your chosen popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. Insert popsicle sticks straight into the center of each mold. Then, freeze your popsicles for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Ensure your molds are level in the freezer for even freezing. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade treats. To easily remove them, briefly run warm water over the outside of the molds for about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently pull the stick to release the frozen popsicle from its mold. Store any remaining popsicles in an airtight container in the freezer to keep them fresh. Now, you can enjoy your delicious, homemade frozen treats on any warm day, or share them with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.